in this website, I added in different domain projects. So if we first we talk about healthcare dashboard. Okay, so I open my Power BI report so that you can, yes, this. Hello, Shiv, my screen is visible?
Yes, yeah.
Okay,
Your
thank you.
screen is visible. If someone have not visible your screen, please rejoin the meeting and check your
Yes,
internet connection.
so I can continue.
Yeah, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. So first, this dashboard are healthcare related, where I added a patient related information, hospital and medical reform, medical related services. So in this dashboard, I added different type of cranes. This dashboard helps to doctor, management, and staff see important health information in a one place instead of reading big report. You can quickly understand the situation with the visuals. And the second option is patient overview. Here you can see how many patients are admit, discharged. If we click this button, so you can see patient related information. You can see how many patients are admitted, discharged, or under treatment. This help in tracking hospital occupy easily. So same as I added more grain, and you can see each button dynamically changes here, and you can see different report on a same page. So here I added different report on a single page so that in a single page you can analyze maximum data. So here we also added to a department wise, so you can check which department like a cardiology, emergency, pediatrics, how many patient and how much workload is there. And if you go to our homepage, so in this dashboard too, we also added treatment and performance tracking. This section show how patient are recovery, average treatment time, and doctor performance. It helps to identify what's going well and where improvement needed. So as a data analyst, I tried to add all the main grain which is required as a senior uh, manager requirement as a senior manager, so that and easily analyze data through a dashboard. Okay, and if we go to the second dashboard for HR analytics. So the purpose of dashboard giving HR and management a clear picture of employees and see performance in a one place instead of going through multiple reports. You can see everything in a quick view. And in this dashboard, we added advanced level of calculation and advanced level of custom visuals so that uh, looking good and give a maximize information. Here you can see the total number of employees, new joiners, and people we leave left company. It's showing overall work status. And also this section show how many employees are present, absent, leave. HR can easily monitor or attendance trend. If uh, here I added a different multiple reports. So this is a income with category. So you can easily analyze their percent hourly base rate, their gender base, and their age base. So you can check which teams or employee are performing well and where improvement is needed. This helps in setting trainer or recognition in programs. And this part highlights how many positions are open, how many are filled, the employee turnover. It's help HR plan hiring strategies. Okay, so we move to another dashboard. It is a ticket tracking dashboard. So first, my dashboard is a KPI dictionary where this is the summary uh, of all the dashboard. Here you can see we added all the main KPIs on the top section and also of the total values in the card. And I also added a filter so that you can easily filter. This dashboard, this dashboard actually is a ticket tracker dashboard. This dashboard helps support teams and management track all ticket in a one place instead of checking email or logs. You get a clear view of a ticket status. Here you can see how many tickets are open, progress, close. It's a give a quick summary of a workload. Also, this section show tickets by priority high, medium, and low, and category wise like IT issue, HR query, finance request, etc. It helps in identify urgent tasks. You can track how much time is being taken to resolve ticket and whether services level agreement are being met or not. This part highlight how many ticket each agent or a team has resolved, pending or delayed. It helps manager balance workload. So same as our BSquare company has delivered 300 plus dashboard for a different client, including finance domain, pharma, and other product-based companies. And a BSquare also provide training so that a student easily create this type of dashboard and work on a real time dashboard. This is the overview of some of our dashboard. So if we go on our uh, Power BI desktop, so this is a Power BI desktop is a homepage uh, where So first, I can see a more dashboard, our real dashboard. If we go to our workspace, you can see here are multiple dashboard I worked on. Okay, this is a real estate dashboard. Here we had we created a dashboard related on property price trend, rental market insight, luxury or affordable housing, and property sales performance. This dashboard gives property owner, agents, and management a complete picture of the sales, rental, and properties in a one place. Instead of a multiple report, you can see everything at a glance. Here, you can see the total number of properties available, so sold and rented. It shows the overall business performance. Performance. You can see here added advanced level of KPIs with advanced level of layout. Same as you can see property location insights. Dashboard also shows buyer demand, inquiring, and preferred properties type. This helps in matching the right property to the right customer. And the user can filter by date, date, filter, location. So user can easily filter grade wise, condition status, uh, waterfront status, renovated bedrooms. If you click any filter here, their condition wise. So on a single click, this dashboard automatically filtered and you can analyze data here. Same as you can use the other filters. So this is a property related dashboard. If we go to other dashboard, account management. So the purpose of this dashboard helps account manager and a finance teams track clients, invoices, payment, and revenue in a one place. It saves time and give a clear financial picture. Here you can see the total salary, company size, total salary, total currency wise, and total company location. If you go to another dashboard, this is also is a healthcare dashboard. Here you can analyze number of facilities, survey completed, total state, and total reason. Also, you can analyze month-wise, year-wise, based on their average and reason-wise average response rate. And also comparison. You can comparison measure analysis with a different KPIs. So this is some our dashboard which our company delivered to our client. You can also click this dashboard, which also mentioned in our website, and this dashboard real-time properties, performance and investment insight for a real. I also covered this dashboard, IT services, and this is a finance analytics for reporting better business decision. And in this dashboard, you can see here I added a multiple layered of pages and also added advanced level of visuals. There in inventory insight, inventory map view, table view, and trend line. If you use advanced level of visuals, so that it's very easy to understand their data in the form of different visuals like a donut, pie chart, and other visuals. Same as if you use a map view, so it's easy to understand on a location wise their inventory and other sales related information to get. So yeah, please give me 1 minute.
Sayed, you are on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Okay,
Yeah.
so here if yes, Shudha.
Can you share the index of the workshop? Someone asked the how many
Okay,
topics are covered. Yeah.
okay, sure. So this is our course index. First, we can cover about Power BI setup and their basic things here. Power BI ecosystem, desktop level, service level, mobile and gateway. Only overview, not a detailed way. And second is navigating Power BI desktop interface. Third, uh, im importing data from different sources. I will cover, and also I give a practical demo. So this is a topic we cover day by day. Okay, day first, day second day we cover data preparation with a Power Query. So in a detailed way, I will discuss how to use a Power Query, what is the role of Power Query uh, in our report. So each major and minor topic I will cover the second day. Also in a third day, we cover DAX, data analysis expression, and also on using a basic DAX, we create a calculation for different KPIs. On a fourth day, we also cover advanced level DAX like MTD, QTD, YTD, switch statement, and many more. How to use a filter and how to make a dynamic measure, how to calculate a running total and the average. And on a fifth day, I will also cover data modeling. And data modeling is very important for a report because without data modeling, it is not possible to create a report. So here, uh, here we cover what is a dimension, what is the fact, and difference between fact and dimension, how to create a star schema, how to create a snowflake schema, and what is the relationship, how many type of relationship, what is the cardinality and cross filter direction, what is the best practice of the data modeling. So I will cover all the topic. Is a very important as a BI developer. On a sixth day, I will also cover visualization and dashboard. So Power BI provide multiple type of visualization like donut chart, pie chart, table, matrix, and slicers, custom visuals, and how to use visual in which scenario, which is the best visual for the scenario, line chart when we use, and donut chart and pie chart when we use, because it is very confusing. You have a column and you have a calculation. So which visual is best for this scenario? We also discuss visual level. On a seventh day, I also covered advanced Power BI functionality. In advanced Power BI functionality, what is a bookmark and what is a navigation, how to use it, what is a tooltip, how many type of a tooltip, how to use drill through, and how to use a drill down on a row level, on a column level in a report, what is the role of parameter, and what is a what if analysis, and what is a row level security, how to use, and how many type of row level security, how to create a row level security, how to give access to end user for row level security. So this topic I will cover one by one because it is very important if you work on a real project. And I will also cover report navigation with bookmarks. On a eight and next day, I will cover Power BI services. It is very important topic because when we develop any report in a Power BI desktop, so after developing report, we share report on our Power BI services. So here we manage their workspace level security and report level security, and how to schedule refresh, how to set up gateway, how to create a dashboard here, and in a Power BI services, how to create workspace, how to create a folder in a workspace. So these topics I will cover. And the next day, Microsoft Fabric integration. It is an advanced topic. So here I will cover what is a one lake and what is the data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, how to integrate a Power BI to Microsoft Fabric, and how to use a semantic model, what is a data lake, how to connect Power BI to Power BI Fabric Lakehouse. So these advanced topic I will cover on a ninth day. On a last day, uh, we also cover on a last day. I also create a dashboard and set up a data model, create an advanced level DAX calculation so that you can understand how to create a in to the last day we cover end-to-end project from importing data set, transforming data, create visualization, and publish on a services and give access to different user. So on a last day, we cover all the main topic. Okay, Shudat. So I give a brief intro about our device data model.
Thank you so much, Sayed, to describe the topics. So, guys, it is a flavor of the workshop. What you can get the in 2 weeks workshop. So, Sayed, if anything is missing in the topics, so you can add it the someone, and you can also share the Power BI and show the some DAX, how to implement and what type of DAX we are using in this session, what type of business scenario, what type of domains, so that we can wrap up.
Yes, sure. Actually, I cover one by one. On a next is how to add, how to start. But today I give a intro about a Power BI. Okay. First, I give a brief intro about my website. So this is my website, BSquare software services. And please you go through our website and you can see our dashboard. And also here you can see our successful project I delivered. So here I open Power BI desktop. On the top section, you can see the get data here. Uh, you can see here here there's the option you can connect to different data sources and Power BI Microsoft provide 100 plus data sources you can connect through on our services or on premises data sources or a live connection. So many type of connection here are possible. You can connect data from a different sources. And a second option is the Excel workbook. It is actually part of the get data. So here, if you click here, so you can directly import data from the existing location and import data here. And it is also actually part of a Microsoft Fabric, which I will cover on the last day. Power BI, what is a Power BI semantic model? What is a lake house, warehouse? So I will cover on the last day this topic. And this is a SQL server, is a part of a data source. And you can connect a SQL server as a data source. The next option is a enter data. You can add a manual. You can create a manual table here using an enter data. This is a and next option is a data verse. This is a part of a Power Platform option. Okay, and this is a SaaS product. You can connect data using a data verse if your data store in a data verse. So using import mode and direct mode, you connect data using a data verse. And this is the recent connection. You can see the recent connection. And the next option is the transform data. Actually, today only give introduction about their options. And on the next day, on a Sunday, we start on a deep level, which option, how do we can use, how to utilize our scenario. So on tomorrow, we start on each topic in a detailed way. Okay. So this is a top ribbon, our main option in a home button. This is a measure and a quick measure. And next option is a publish. When we create our Power BI report, we also publish our report on a services. If you go to an insert option, you can see the visual option here. You can import from visual from the outside, and this is the key influencer. This is actually mentioned in here. Now with this visual pen, all the option here. So this is our top ribbon. And if you see on our left side, the first option is the report view. So you can also here the report view, and at the second option is a table view. Okay, table view means you can see uh, data in a table form and analyze data, and you can read or data set. And next option is modeling view. Here you build data modeling. Data modeling means uh, how to create a connection between two tables so that two tables communicate to each other. Without relationship, it is not possible to extract data from both tables in a in single visual. So data modeling is very important, and also their relationship, their filter direction. So I will cover in detailed way on a next coming session. And next option is a DAX query. So you can execute query here on a practice level, not affect our data model, not affect our visual. Only for deep analysis, you can execute here, and you can see the result, how our DAX is working or not. So this is the left of the option on the left side. And also, if you go on the right side on a visual option, so you can see multiple type of visuals, stack bar chart and stack column chart, and many more, waterfall chart, funnel. So which visual we use in a which option, and in our scenario, which visual is best for example, pie chart and donut chart when we use. And if we use a donut chart, can I use on the place of a table chart or not? And when we use a matrix, what is the property of a matrix? What is difference between matrix and table? And Power BI provide a default to visuals on this section, but if you require to add other visuals from a Microsoft marketplace, so you can add more visuals. Like you can see here, this is the custom visual, linear gauge and tachometer. So these are the imported visuals. If your scenario need not fulfilled by this visuals, so also you can import the visuals from Microsoft marketplace. And Microsoft in a marketplace provide multiple different level of visuals, and you can import on this visual section. Okay, so if you can see data, so here if we import any data set, so all data set is stored on a left side panel, and you can see all the data set. If you click this table, here all the column you can see. Actually, here the sum calculation our we also created. For example, this yes. So this is a dim date calculation. So it is very important as a BI developer to create a dim date table for you know, for finding year-wise calculation, month-wise calculation, show month-wise, day-wise, and quarter-wise, yearly-wise. Okay, this is a DAX calculation. We use a different DAX. For example, as here we use a calendar and a format function, weekday, and many more like here we use to finding our date related calculation. If you click this table, first if you click table view, and then you click dim date calculation, so you can easily see our main grain here, which added here. Okay, so date as year wise, month number wise, month name, day of week, and many more date related information. Actually, when a client provide data, so by default, country not any company not provide this table. So as a developer required to add a manual table for dim date. So that uh, we can show day wise, month wise, year wise, quarterly wise, and comparison. We can comparison between year and previous year. So it is required to create a manual calculation using DAX to create a dim date table. And also you can see a dim date time related in time related. If requirement is hourly, show on a visual sales and any other KPIs to show hourly wise, minute wise, hourly wise. So you can create this type of table, dim date, dim date time. Actually, it is not possible to on a single day you create these type of tags. You can create, but if you learn day by day on a you work on DAX, if you start on a from a calculate function, how to use calculate function, filter function, how to use count function, what is the how to in which scenario we use format function, what is the difference between value and values. So if you cover basic DAX, then you are able to create these type of DAX. Okay, so this is a short intro about a Power BI desktop. On our next day, I will cover I will cover the next data preparation with a Power Query. Yes. So tomorrow I will cover Power Query. If you go on a home tab and next, this is a transform data. Okay. So if you click on a transform data, so here actually it is a another window in a Power BI desktop. It is a called of a Power Query. Here you you transform. You can transform data and you add a manual level calculation. Here you manage. You add a parameter. Here you also connect multiple data sources. So tomorrow I will cover Power Query. If you can see applied stuff, so what is the applied stuff? What is the role of the applied? So what is the query folding? What is the merge, append? What is the group by function? How to split a column, row level, a column level? In if our data have are not clean, so how to clean, how to remove null values, how to filter top five. So these type of transformation we do. If you can see on a home page, uh, some important function. There's a close and apply and close. The next option is the new sources. You also connect here the new sources, new data set, and here you can also see all. Okay, so here mention all the connections you can see. So this topic I will cover in a detailed way. This topic I will cover tomorrow in a detailed way. Hello, Shudha.
Thank you so much, Sayed, to sharing the insightful information to all of them. Uh, so I'm handovering the call, Miss Salni. She is a HR executive at BSquare. So, Salni,
Yes,
I'm audible to you. Yeah, you can
yeah.
wrap up and closing this.
Thank you so much, Mr. Siddharth and Shoaib Sayed here for such an insightful and practical session today. The way you explained the concept and demonstrated real-time examples has surely given all of us a strong start to this two-week learning journey. We truly appreciate the time and effort you put into making the session engaging and informative. To all the participants, thank you for your active involvement and positive energy throughout the session. Your curiosity and participation make the workshop even more valuable. Today, we laid the foundation for understanding data analytics, its importance, and real world aspects. This strong start will help us dive deeper into upcoming topics in the next. Remember, learning is a journey, and today was just the first step. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't miss the next session, as we will be exploring even more interesting and practical aspects of data analytics. On behalf of BSquare Software Services Private Limited, thank you once again to our trainers and participants. Have a great morning, everyone.
Thank you, Miss Salni, and thank you, everyone. So we can wrap up this call. So let's meet tomorrow for the new energy and the excitement topic. And tomorrow is a very important and crucial day, all of them. So Maybe all of things are covered in this top session, so we can wrap up this. Okay, so let's meet soon.